Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel. I'm having an exciting weekend of thrifting away from home. I'm in my camper right now, so if I sound different, that's why. But we're getting ready to leave. It's Sunday morning. We're getting ready to leave on a second day of thrifting. But yesterday we went through, let's see, Virginia and Maryland. And now we're in Delaware. So I guess the flea markets were basically in Virginia. But what I found, one was a little flea market we just happened on, on the side of the road. And then the other one we planned, we looked for flea markets and we planned to go to that one. So the first one was really cool. And in Virginia, called 501 Flea Market. It wasn't huge or anything, but it was really cool. And then, and they had quite a bit there. It's where I found most of this stuff. And then the second one was just the side of the road one. But here's what I got yesterday. Just I was trying to stay away from the books because, I have so many books already. But when you find a good deal, how can you pass it up? So I got this little one here, Playmate for Peter. This is it says Top of the Tales. This one, let's see, all these books were, the little ones, I have some little ones here that were 25 cents each, and then the bigger ones, let's see, I think here's all the little ones. I think this one was 25 cents, and this one might have, yeah, this one was 25 cents, and I have two bigger ones that were 50 cents, but yeah, this one, let's see what it had in it. Yeah, this one was really cute. So here's the images in this one. Let's see the copyright. I gotta be quick because we're getting ready to leave, but I thought it would be fun to give you an update. Wow, I don't see it. That's weird. I wonder if I don't think a page is torn out, but I don't see it. Oh, here it is. Roman numerals, 19. Let me see, 52. 1952 on this one. I think it has really cute images and graphics. I mean, look at that. Just little rosy cheeks on the kids and everything. So super cute on that one. This was a golden book. Now this guy said all the books, pretty much all his books, were 25 cents. So this was a different guy in that flea market. This is 1987. It looks so new. I thought it was new, but it actually is vintage. And it's the tortoise and the hare, so, cute little story. Nice, bright pictures and, images on that one. An old vintage Curious George I had to get. I have so many Curious George books, but look at this hardback cover. And, all these old vintage pages. Not shiny or anything. So I think I had one like this before that I made into envelopes. And I made most of the pages into envelopes and some of them into book, journal pages. But this copyright is 1958. Yeah, so that's a cute one and an old one. I got finally found some recipe cards. I found some a little while ago, but I think they were a little bit newer. These, do they have a year on here? No copyright right here, but super cute little green border and flower, like fruit on the bottom with some ivy. So I thought those were really cute. Here's the little books I got. This lady had the little books for 25 cents. Actually, she said 25 cents, and then when I went to pay, she said 50 cents. And I had to straighten her out. I was like, what? You said 25 cents. That's why I got all these. So, this is 1956 on this little book. Boys and Girls and in Mother Goose. So look, original price there, 19 cents. Back in 58. Cute little pictures and a story. Let's see, I just saw something really cute. What was it? I guess it was, I don't know what it was, but it's all cute. Look at this. Isn't that cute? I love these little books. That's going to be a cute journal. And I have a turtle, little Whitman Tiny Tot Tale book. This one is my light here, 1963. Reading these Roman numerals in these books has been a good refresher. There's some writing in this one. That's okay though. You know, 25 cents. I got a nice cover here and a few pages I can use. So really cute. And I'll have to clean that. I'll see if it cleans up. It looks like some of that dirt will come off of there. This is a little Sesame Street Sherlock Holmes tell a tale. I thought it was cute, and it's I'm sure it's vintage 1972 is what it says. So it's got the cute little, you know, Sesame Street images in here. So that's a cute one. The bedtime book. This is Tell a Tale, and certainly needs a good washing. Let's see, 1963. So this one is, let's see how, yeah, this one's in really perfect shape. No rips, tears, writing, just a little cleaning up. New spine, it'll be good to go for a journal. My Pet's Tiny Elf Library. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Isn't that cute? The colors, these vintage colors, so cute. Little lamb. Doesn't get cuter than that. Okay, did we look at the copyright? I don't think we did. I think I got carried away with the cuteness on that one. Let's see, 19, let's see, 50, I think it says 53, 50, 60, 78, 1978. Add up all the, you know, add and subtract on all those Roman numerals. It's so funny. Okay, now this one, I think this one looks familiar. I think I might have had this one when I was a little girl, or a copy of it. This particular one, Tell a Tale's book. Cute little back. And, oh, this was in here. A little, it says, it's like a little piece of ephemera. I noticed it when I bought it. It fell out. And then I picked it up and put it back in here. Isn't that cute? It says Mallow Cup on it. I don't know if it's focusing for you, but it's a cute little, I don't know where it came from, but it was in there, so I made sure it stayed in there when I bought it. This is 1956 on this one. So super cute. The Runaway Pancake. So that is, my stomach's growling in case you hear something. We haven't eaten breakfast yet. About to head out. So you saw the big one I paid 50 cents for was the Curious George, and this one. And I had one of these that I used in my recent book page bundles, and it just had, it's not this book, I just had a big book like this that was from my personal collection that I had said was my little brother's when he was younger, and I ended up with it. So I put some of those in some of my journals, and then I put the rest in those book page bundles, and I still have a few in my Etsy. But so I've been looking for more because I didn't have any more, and so these big books with these colorful pages I thought come in really handy, and they're fun and colorful to include in a book page bundle or wherever. And the last thing I got was this right here. Is, you can see maybe quilting. So this was hanging on a rack at the 501 flea market. It's a long sleeve shirt. But what I saw was like, oh, what is that? It looks like I see quilting hanging there. But look at this, how pretty the colors, first of all. Yellow, pinks, blues, you know, like a darker pink, a lighter pink. I like a apricot, a light green, a darker blue, like denim blue here. So just really pretty colors. So I can cut this up. It's, you know, a lot of fabric here. Quilted fabric, you know, pieces. and it's all of this, a good size long sleeve men's shirt here that I got for $2. Trying to see what size it is, a large, just to tell you how much fabric I have. But yeah, I thought, wow, I like have almost like a quilt top here fabric, and I can cut this up and use it in my journals, you know, or wherever, you know, book spines, pockets, you know, stuff like that. So I thought that was really super cool, and I loved the colors on it. So, you know, awesome. So we're setting out in a minute. I think my husband's about ready to go, so I'll let you go, and I will do another update on today and see what we find at the. We're going to a flea market in Delaware. We made it to Delaware last night and went through a 17-mile bridge and tunnels on the way over from Virginia Beach. Goes through Maryland, and then you go into Delaware. So we're in Delaware a little bit, into Delaware, and there's we're going to check out a flea market. Hopefully it's a good one. You know, we've never been here before, so you never know until you really get there if it's actually any good. So hope we didn't come all the way up here for nothing. Hope it's a good one. So wish me luck, and I'll see you next time. And happy crafting and happy thrifting.